Hi, it's Jason here. What we're going to look at today is how to correctly link from your Facebook page back to your website. Quite often when you link from Facebook to your website, Google Analytics doesn't understand that the traffic's come from Facebook, especially if the links come from an app on your phone. So what we want to do is make sure that Google Analytics does understand that all of the traffic's come from Facebook that does, especially if you're paying for traffic. You want to make sure that you know what the outcome of that was once they leave Facebook and end up on your website. So to make sure that happens, there's just a little step we need to insert between grabbing the link off your website and pasting it into Facebook. So let's have a quick look at that now. So we'll start off here with a page that I've got on a website here. So this is the page I want to link to. So I'll copy that. Now instead of just pasting that straight into Facebook, what we'll do first is come to our website, almostanything.com.au, and if we scroll down to the bottom, I've got this Google Analytics tool here. So at this point in time, I can paste the link in there, hit generate code, and it will give me basically the same link, but with a campaign name of general. It specifies the source as being Facebook and the medium as social. So I'm going to copy that. Whoops, missed the beginning. I'm going to copy that and come over to Facebook. And in here, I'll now paste that tagged link. Once it's generated this preview, I can then delete this ugly link out of the top and replace that with whatever intro text that I want to put on top of my post before the link. Now, that link has got that tagged alphabet soup on the end, so anybody who clicks that, it will show up in Google Analytics as being from Facebook and under a campaign of general. Now, most of the time that's going to be fine, but if you are running paid campaigns on Facebook and you want to split out one campaign from the next, we can do that as well. So I'm going to hop out of that now. From the Google Analytics tool again, instead of just pasting the link in there, I've got an advanced version here that we can have a look at. Now, I'll better go back and grab the initial link, copy that, paste that in there. Now this time I can specify a campaign name, so I might call this, well, in Facebook you're generally going to have an objective, so you're trying to get links to your website, you're going to try and get people to register for your event, you're trying to get people to buy some stuff that you've got on sale, whatever it happens to be. So I'm going to put summer sale in here. Now, oh boy, how about I spell summer better? Now you'll notice I haven't put a space in there. Most of the time you can get away with spaces in here, but sometimes you can't. So just to be on the safe side, I'll either capitalise the first letter of each word, or alternatively you can put a plus in between them if you want to separate them as well. It's coming through social. My source is Facebook, but this could just as easily be LinkedIn or Twitter or Pinterest or any other network that you happen to be using. And there's some advanced optional fields down here. Campaign content's probably the main one that might be useful if you're doing any split tests in your Facebook campaigns, like you've got image A and image B. You may want to specify those in there, use those different links for each one, just so you can get a sense of what happened on your website. Image A might outperform image B on Facebook, but image B might be a better conversion once they get to your website. So they're optional to fill out. Generate code again, and again it gives me the same link with some alphabet soup on the end, but this time it's got the campaign that I specified instead of just general. So the first one, the simple version, is fine just for general linking from Facebook back to your website. If you're running some paid campaigns and want to separate that information out inside of Google Analytics, go to the advanced tool, fill in those extra details manually yourself, but then the process is the same. Grab that entire link, copy that, paste it back in here, wait for the card to generate, and as soon as it does, you can delete this ugly bit up here and replace that text with the introduction to your post. That's it. There's just one little step in the middle. It's not complicated, but it will make your Google Analytics data that comes out of those Facebook campaigns much more useful to you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.